uLesufi uthi uculisekile ngencazelo ayithole kuthishanhloko wase-Ekhuluma ukuthi kungani benqume ukuvula.
The reopening was not a defiance. They already opened. The decision came late. And when the information was brought to their attention by the advisor, Mr. Matthews, and our team in the province, yesterday they then reconsidered.
Owengamele ezimfundo eGauteng uthi zonke izikole eziseGauteng ezivulile kumele zivale ngokusheshsha.
The next 2 weeks, they must cease to teach. And they will issue a statement to support that process. But they will do it in phases because they've already had learners within their school premises.
uLesufi uthi okuphambene nomthetho ukuvula izikole ngaphandle komyalelo ovela kuhulumeni.
Any other school, I don't mind other provinces, any other school, whether private, independent or public, that is operating in Gauteng, they're in defiance of the state.
Uthi ke bazozwa ngongoti ukuthi ngenyanga ezayo izinto zobe sezilungile yini ukuthi izikole zingavulwa. Uma bebona kungalungile angeke zivulwe.
Retreat for 2 weeks. We'll monitor the situation. Experts will advise us. We'll indeed reopen. But if experts says the school must remain closed, we'll also communicate that.
Uthishanhloko wesikole eHelpmekaar uClose Konech uthi bayabona ubungozi ingakho benquma ukuthi abafundi bengezi namhlanje esikoleni.
We made independently the decision that we will not bring our learners back today and we'll start with online teaching tomorrow.
Izikole kwakumele zivulwe ngomhla zingama-27 kwephezulu kepha kwahlehliselwa umhla ziyi-15 kwezokwethwasa. Izikole selokhu zavalwa phakathi nenyanga eyedlule kanti abafundi banesikhathi esingaphezulu kwezinyanga ezimbili bengalibhadi esikoleni. Okubhekeke kakhulu ukuthi uhulumeni uzokwenza njani ukuze abuyise lesikhathi esilahlekile. NginguCalvin Dludla wezindaba zeSABC.